Question number 1. This is an write original cat replica question. Original cat replica question. I just changed the numerical values. First we will read the question. 3 years ago, the average age of an A and B was 18 years. 3 years ago, the average age of A and B was 18 years. With C joining right now, the average age becomes 22 years. How old is C right now? What is traditional method 1? Method 1 is a traditional method. Traditional method is write present, past. You will use X and Y and you will solve the question. Method 2. Method 2. Method 1, I am least interested. This is something you can solve it on your own. If you are watching my video, there must be some uniqueness in the video. Now, method 2. Anil Nair's way of solving the question. For me, what I will do is, I will answer the question in less than 10 seconds if I read the question properly. 3 years ago, the average age of A and B was 18 years. 3 years ago, it is 18. 2 years ago, it is 19. 1 year ago, it is 20. Right now, it is 21. Are you all with me? 3 years ago, it is 18. See, 3 years ago, it is 18. Now, 3 years, it got added. If every value increases by K, average also increases by K. 3 years before, it is 18. 2 years before, it is 19. Because 2 years before means every time it got added by 1. 1 year ago, it is 20. Currently, it is 21. This is average. Sum is nothing but 2 into 21. 42. With C joining right now, average age is 22. A plus B plus C, it is nothing but 22. Sum is nothing but 66. What is the C? C difference is, don't subtract 66 minus 42. All the unit digits are different. 6 minus 2 is 4. So I will tick mark 24. I hope it is clear. Right? What is the concept that I used in this question? If every element increases, decreases, multiplies and divides by K, K not equivalent to 0. Average also increases, decreases, multiplies by K. K not equivalent to 0. This simple concept, I used it to solve an original CAT question without using X and Y. Again, second time I am repeating. Every explanation I will repeat it twice. 3 years ago, the average age of A and B is 18. 3 years ago, it is 18. After 3 years, everybody's age increased by 3. If everybody's age increased by 3, average also increased by 3. Average is 21. 2 people are there. 2 into 21 is 42. Average is nothing but sum of the quantities by number of the quantities. C has joined right now. So there are 3 people. Average is 22. 66 minus 42. 6 minus 2 is 4. Only all the answer options unit digit is different. Answer is 24. Relatively a level 2 question, if you know the concept, a level 2 question. Original CAT replica question. Question number 4. 1. I hope it is clear. Question number 2. All are original CAT questions. Question number 2. Question number 2. Original CAT question. Original CAT question. X is 16 cube, 17 cube, 18 cube and 19 cube. Then X divided by 70. All the coaching center method. How coaching centers will teach you? Coaching centers logic, especially this logic. If a student knows this logic, you can solve it. If n is an odd number, a power n plus b power n is divisible by a plus b. Right? A plus b. Or second logic, if n is an odd number, A1, A2, A3 and so on up to AK. If the series is in AP, A1 power K, A2 power K, AK power K is divisible by A1 plus A2 and so on up to AK. If you know this, it is good. Anil sir, I forgot these logic in the exam. I got tensed in the exam. I was unable to recollect what is the logic that is used. Especially if the viewer, if you are from a non-mathematical background and you don't think that you can remember all these concepts, I will tell you a non-formula based approach after I teach these logic. If you know this, good enough. That's okay. You can solve the question fast. Even if you forget this, you can still know the another logical way to solve. Hold on for 5 seconds. I will use these logic, then I will come to that logic. If n is an odd number, a power n plus b power n is divisible by a plus b. If n is an odd number and the base values are in arithmetic progression, then definitely a1 power k, a2 power k and so on up to ak power k is divisible by a1 plus a2 and so on up to ak. Now method 1. Method 1. These method 1, right? Math students who are good in maths, right? So what I'll do is 3 is an odd number. So if I take first and last, 16 power 3, 17 power 3, 18 power 3 plus 19 power 3 divided by 70. First and last divided by 35. Second and third, it is divided by 35. Numerator is divided by 35. 16 is an even number. 17 is an odd number. 18 is an even number. 19 is an odd number. Even plus odd, odd. Even plus odd, odd. That means number is divisible by 2. Number is divisible by 35 and 2. That means number is divisible by 30, 70. Answer is 0. Students who know these logic, students who are mathematical students can solve by using this way, and most of you will solve by using these logic, right? My idea is to teach beyond what is taught in your coaching centers. My idea is to take you to a level beyond what you see in the free YouTube content. It is there. Always remember, quality content comes with a cost, right? Method 1. Method 1. You will find these everywhere. Method number 2. Method number 2. Method number 2. 3 is an odd number. 3 is an odd number. 16, 17, 18, 19. Difference is 1. The series is in AP. So, A1 power K, A2 power K, A3 power K, 19 power K is divisible by 16, 17, 18, 19. It is nothing but divided by 70. Remainder 0. These also you will find it in most of the YouTube videos or in the regular textbook. If you are listening to my class and if I teach what is there in the textbook, then I am becoming a substitute to the solution key. I am not a substitute to the solution key. I am the book. I am the person who ignites new thoughts in you and tells you how you can possibly look at it. Inherit my way of solving the question. Method 2. Assume that a student is a non-math student. A student who does not like any formulas and a student who cannot remember formulas like me. Now see here. 16 power 3, 17 power 3, 18 power 3, 19 power 3. When it is divided by 70, what is the remainder? What is the remainder? Now if you see here, first of all, he does not know any of the logic. Just he read the question. 16 power 3, 17 power 3, 18 power 3, 19 power 3. It is divided by 70. 70 is nothing but 7 into 10. 7 into 10. Now he knows that. Suppose he divide a number by 10. 34 divided by 10. 10 3s are 30. Remainder is 4, which is nothing but the unit digit. 72 divided by 10. 10 sevens are 70. Remainder is nothing but 2, which is the unit digit. He knows that when you divide a number by 10, the unit digit is nothing but the remainder. When you divide a number by 10, it is nothing but the remainder. So 6 cube is nothing but 6. 7 cube is 343. 8 cube is 512. 9 cube is 729. 729. I hope it is clear, right? 9 plus 2, 11, 11 plus 6, 17, 17 plus 3, 20. He knows that when he divide a number by 10, unit digit should be 0. If there is more than one answer option with unit digit 0, I will do with other number. Only one option is there. So it is 0. 10 seconds approach. 10 seconds approach. 16 power 3, 17 power 3, 18 power 3, 19 power 3. Sir, I cannot do 8 power 3. You don't need to do it. 16 cube is 6 into 6 into 6. 6 multiplied by any number of 6, unit digit is 6. 7 into 7 into 7. 7 sevens are 49. 9 sevens are 63. 3. 8 into 8 into 8. 8 eights are 64. 4 eights are 32. 9. 9 into 9 into 9. 9 nines are 81. 81 nines are 729. Unit digit is 2. It is an exact CAT questions without change in answer options. Without change in answer option. How to solve it? Forget about the formula based approach. You know it, that is good. But even if you do not know it, you can crack the CAT question in 10 seconds. What is the idea? X is divided by 70. 70 is a multiple of 10. When you divide any number by 10, unit digit is nothing but the remainder. Only play with the unit digit logic. 6 cube is 6. 7 cube is 3, 8 cube is 2, 9 cube is 9, 9 plus 2, 11, 11 plus 3, 14, 14 plus 6, 20. If any number which is ending with 0, when you divide by 10, unit digit will be the remainder, unit digit should be 0. Simple unit digit logic. This is something which I want my students, my enrolled students to learn it. And if you keep on solving this kind of unique ways of solving, and CAT paper becomes probably the easiest paper. It is like a Sachin scoring a century against a new cricket team. It will be that easy for you to play around with your questions if you think differently. If you want to think differently, Anil Nair's right way of solving, you should know it. Now, another question. Second one. See here. Again, it is a CAT question. Anybody who is preparing for CAT, in case if you got the previous year CAT questions papers, you can check it out. It is a previous year question. Method 1. Method 1. How 1 factorial, 2 into 2 factorial, 3 into 3 factorial, 10 into 10 factorial. This method 1, students who are good, they will write it as n into n factorial 1 to 10 summation n equivalent to 1 to 10 n plus 1 minus 1 into n factorial. It is, they will do like this. I am also for that students who cannot get these logic directly. Method 1. Method 1. Now see here. Method 2. Substitute the logic. Substitute n value. 2 factorial minus 1 factorial, 3 factorial minus 2 factorial, and so on up to 11 factorial minus 10 factorial. This is nothing but p. Do p plus 2 divided by 10 factorial. Hey Anil sir, previously you used that units digit logic. Can I use units digit logic? Can I solve this question? Let us see. First thing, see here sir. First thing, Anil Nair's way of solving the question in less than 10 seconds. Anil Nair's way of solving. How I will solve this question? It is good to respect the traditional method, but also know the unique way of solving. Reminder 1, p plus 2 divided by 11 factorial. You know that 11 factorial is 11 into 10 and so on up to 1. It is divided by 10. Previous case 70 is divided by 10. 11 factorial also it is divided by 10. Okay. 10 means I want only the unit digit logic. Only the unit digit. Reminder 1 factorial, 2 into 2 factorial, 3 into 3 factorial, 4 into 4 factorial, 5 into 5 factorial and so on up to 10 into 10 factorial. Now see here sir, 5 into 5 factorial, 5 factorial is 120, it is divisible by 10. All are divisible by 10, these 1, 2 into 2, 4, 3 factorial, 6 into 3, 18, 8, 4 factorial, 24 into 4, 4 4s are 96. These are nothing but the unit digits. These are nothing but the unit digits. It is plus 2 is there. This is P plus 2. Am I right? 8 plus 4, 12. 12 plus 6, 18. 18 plus 2, 20. 20 plus 1, 21. 21 divided by 10. Unit digit is nothing but 1. 10 seconds approach. If you know how to solve problem through my way of looking at the question. Write P plus 2 divided by 11 factorial. There is no difference between this question and this question. This question, it is nothing but 70. 70 is nothing but 7 into 10. So I just played around with the units digit. Units digit is nothing but the remainder when you divide the number by 10. Unit digit of a number is nothing but the remainder when you divide a number by 10. 11 factorial, 11 into something, 11 into something, 11 into 10 into something, 10 into something. Are you all with me? 10 into something. So 10 means unit digit. 1 factorial unit digit is 1. 2 2s are 4. 3 factorial is 6. 6 3s are 18. 4 into 4 factorial. 24 4s are 16. 6. 5 factorial onwards 0. Plus 2 it is there. 6 plus 2, 8, 16, 20, 21. 21 divided by 10. It is nothing but unit digit is 1. I hope you are all enjoying the class. If you are enjoying the class, give a thumbs up in the live chat and click on the like button. Write unique way of solving. Solving 32 questions in the CAT paper in less than probably 15 to 20 minutes of a time. Even if I can make 80% of the students to solve 80% of the questions in less than 20 minutes, it is equivalent to getting 95 plus percentile right with 90% accuracy. The game of competitive exam lies in only two things, speed and accuracy. You are good in concepts and you practice well in concepts, then automatically speed will go up. Your speed of solving a question is directly proportional to the teacher who is teaching you these concepts. The experience the teacher has got in handling the CAT students, the experience of his question solving. See, I am 35 right now. I quit my Infosys job. I'm from past 14 years I am teaching CAT. 14 years. Every year close to 6,000 students into 14 years. Maybe 85,000 students taught. And I am the youngest South India academic head for Career Launcher at the age of 24. Career Launcher people might have seen something and given me the head of the academics post to entire South India at an young age. This is what is extremely important. And I have already covered 180 plus hours of YouTube live classes and students are sitting and enjoying it. Are you a part of YouTube live classes? Right? If you are not a part, I strongly recommend you to be a part of it. I hope it is clear. Next one. Next one. See here, sir. Next one. Next one. If x and y are real numbers, then the least possible value. This is a CAT replica question. a CAT replica question and a SSC CPO original question. SSC CPO original question. See this question. I have seen some YouTube videos some students sent me. I laughed at looking at that videos, and that stupid formula based approach has got lack of use. It is basically with the ignorance of the student. Student cannot differentiate between an experienced teacher. The most of the students watches some hundreds of YouTube channel thinking that they are learning. If a teacher is not helping you to grow intellectually, it's a wastage of time watching that class. See here. See this class. Y is given as 4 into x minus 2 whole square plus y minus 3 whole square minus 2 into x minus 3 whole square. Traditional method. Traditional method. Traditional method. How the students will solve? Open the square. Write all x terms at one side. Write all y terms at one side. Try to write it as ax plus or minus b whole square, py plus or minus q whole square plus q. This is the square term, this is the square term. So that will be greater than or equivalent to 0. K will be minimum. This will take minimum 3 minutes to solve this question. Try to solve it, keep a timer and cross check. Keep a timer and cross check. This is a traditional method of solving the question. Anil Nair's way of solving the question. Right? Only to learn Anil Nair's way, you should definitely buy our YouTube live class course, which is a must for every student. Try to crack aptitude examinations. Now, Anil Nair's method. Anil Nair's method. How I solved this question? How I solved this question? Y is nothing but 4 into x minus 2 square plus y minus 3 square minus 2 into x minus 3 square. Just by looking at a question, there are two terms with x. So I will condense it. Let me call it as p because there is y here. Let me call it as p. This is p. Let y equivalent to 3. If I take y equivalent to 3, right, because y minus 3 whole square minimum value is 3 at y equivalent to 3. I want the minimum value. So I can take y equivalent to 3. If I take y equivalent to 3, that is p became 4 into x minus 2 whole square minus 2 into x minus 3 whole square. X minus 3 whole square. What I will do is, then let me take x equivalent to 2. If I take x equivalent to 2, 4 into 2 minus 2, 0 square, minus 2 into 2 minus 3, minus 1 square, which is nothing but minus 2. Minus 2. There are some values greater than minus 2, 3 and 1. There are some values less than minus 4, minus 5. I am not able to conclude it. Let me take x equivalent to 1. If I take x equivalent to 1, 4 into 1 minus 2, minus 1 square, minus 2 into 1 minus 3, minus 2 square, 4 minus 2 into 2 square, 4. 4 minus 4 is 0. 4 minus 4. Am I right? So if I take, now I'll neatly solve it here. P is nothing but 4 into x minus 2 whole square minus 2 into x minus 3 square. I will take x equivalent to 2. I will take x equivalent to 0. I will take x equivalent to 1. Let me see what is happening with respect to, I took 2, I am not able to determine x equivalent to 1. 4 into, it is nothing but 1, minus 2 into 1 minus 3, minus 2 square, it is 4. 4 minus 8. 4 minus 8 is minus 4. Hey, I got minus 4. But in the option 3 and 1 is there. If I keep minus 4, 3 and 1, minimum value is minus 4. So 3 and 1, just by substituting x equivalent to 1 I got. If I put x equivalent to 2, 4 into 2 minus 2, it is 0, minus 2 into 2 minus 3, it is minus 1 square. It is nothing but minus 2. It is nothing but minus 2. If I get the value of 0, I will be able to conclude 4 into 0 minus 2. It is nothing but 0 minus 2. It is 4 minus 2 into 3 square. So these is nothing but 16 minus 18, which is nothing but minus 2. See here, if I keep minus 1, if I keep minus 4, can I say minus 2 on a number line? Minus 2 is to the right hand side of minus 2, right? These is nothing but, I hope it is clear, x is 2, 2 minus 3 square, minus 1 square, which is nothing but minus 2. Here it is x equivalent to 0. 0 is 4 into 14, 2 minus 9, 16 minus 18, minus 2. X equivalent to 1, 4 minus 8, which is nothing but minus 4. Out of all these three values, what is the minimum value? Minus 4 is the minimum value. Answer is minus 4. What you have to do? Just take the critical values of, x. Take the critical values of x. I hope the idea is clear. What I did? Nothing I did, sir. First, what are the critical values of x? Critical point is a one point where x square terms will be 0. X equivalent to 2 comma 3, x equivalent to 2 I did, and y equivalent to 3 I did. At y equivalent to 3, the equation became 4 into x minus 2 square minus 2 into x minus 3 square. Then I checked with let x equivalent to 2. If x equivalent to 2, how much I got the answer? Minus 2. But there is an answer minus 4. Just I checked with x equivalent to 0 also. 0 is 0 minus 2 square, 4 minus 2 into minus 3 square. This is nothing but 16 minus 18 minus 2 I got. Then I checked with x equivalent to 1 because I checked, right? I want to see what is happening, whether the graph is an increasing graph or a decreasing graph. X equivalent to 1, 4 into 1 minus 2 square, which is nothing but 1, minus 2 into 1 minus 3 minus 2 square, which is nothing but 4. 4 minus 8 is minus 4, right? If you see minus 4, minus 2 and minus 2, these are all to the right hand side. These are all to the right hand side. So minus 4. I hope it is clear. Answer is minus 4. 3, 1 and minus 8 is clear. Why I condensed it to one equation? See here, sir. This is a square term, this is a square term, this is a square term. If minus 2 into x minus 3 is not there, I can say that the minimum value of this expression will be at x equivalent to 2 and y equivalent to 3. Yes or no? Square value will be greater than or equivalent to 0 when square is equivalent to 0. So I substituted y equivalent to 3 and x equivalent to 2. I hope the reasoning is clear. X equivalent to y equivalent to 3, x equivalent to 2. Then what I did, I just checked with the graph of the behavior by taking a value just less than 2. I took two values less than 2, that is 0 and 1. Then I saw that all the values which I got are greater than minus 4. So minimum value will be minus 4. Idea clear? Idea clear? I hope you understood the idea. Why I made x equivalent to 2, y equivalent to 3. Original SSC CPO question and a CAT replica question. Next one. See here, sir. This is an original CAT question. This is an original CAT question. Original CAT question. Write method 1, traditional method. See here, sir. Method 1, traditional method. Traditional method. 2s is given by a plus b plus c. S minus a is k. S minus b is 7k. S minus c is 4k. So if I add, this is what every student will do, sir. Because they are so habituated. 3s minus of a plus b plus c is 12k. S is nothing but 12k. I hope it is clear. S is nothing but 12k. S is nothing but 12k. So answer is nothing but 12k minus k 11k. It is nothing but 5k. It is nothing but 8k. This is what most of the students will solve it. This is a bookish method. If you are getting this solution in the book, right, and you are watching my class, there has to be a difference. If I cannot add a difference to, right, your way of solving a quant question, then it's of no use me being a teacher. A teacher is not a replica to the solution available in the textbook. A teacher has to use his intellectuality to multiply the intellectuality of a student. This is method 1. Method 2, Anil Nair's way of solving. When this was given in the CAT paper, Anil Nair's way, how I solved it is S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. It is 1:7:4. S is constant. S is constant. If S is constant, see here, B is 174. This is maximum. If it is maximum, B before minus sign is there. B should be minimum in the series. B should be minimum in the series. You don't need to find the values. B should be minimum in the series. Over. A is minimum. A value is minimum. A there is a minus sign. A should be maximum. The value of A should be maximum. Answer is 11:5:8. Where is the question of solving and finding the values of ABC? And for your information, it is an original CAT question. By this time, you should have understood that CAT is not common aptitude test. It is common sense aptitude test. That is how a good teacher can convert an ordinary student into a great student. As Jiddu Krishnamurthy says, right, for a good student to become a great student, he needs to meet a teacher, right, at an early stage of his life. That is how a blind student has cracked CAT examination through my mentoring. That is how a non-mathematics student doing a BCom can sit in IIM Ahmedabad, defeating an intellectual student studying in probably a good engineering college who is a good mugger. A mugger will definitely not achieve success. Always remember, sir, a student who knows the logic behind the formula will always succeed the student who is good in formula based student. A formula based student might get marks, which is a short-term glory, but a long-term success will not happen. You look at any successful person all around, right? Every walk of life. I hope it is clear. I hope it is clear. This is clear. Now, if you understood this way of solving, already enrolled student, I have solved it. This question, right, in my regular classes. Because it's an original CAT question, I discussed it. And original CAT questions. Original CAT exam question. Original CAT exam question. Right, method 1. Method 1, right, R.S. Agarwal approach, bookish method approach, search approach. People will do search. 1000 is 10 power 3, 555 by 100. Search approach. Stupid approach. You will never be able to clear the exams in the first attempt if you know it. Method 2. Method 2. Right, method 2. Anil Nair's approach. Anil Nair's approach. Anil Nair's approach. Forget about these 0.5, 0.5 because all the options are little far from each other. 5 power x equivalent to 1000. If it is 5 power x, 5 power 4 is 625. X will range from 4 to 5. Yes or no? 5 power 5 is 5 power 5 is 625 into 5, 3125. X will be around 4. Can I say? 0.5 power y equivalent to 1000. This is 2 power minus 1. Y equivalent to 1000. Can I say y is closer to minus 10? Why? Because what is 2 power 10? 1024. Yes or no? 2 power minus 1 power y is 1000. Y should be minus 10. Minus 1 into minus 10 is 2 power 10. 2 power 10 is 1024. So x is closer to 4. Y is closer to minus 10. Substitute. Such an easy question. 1 by 4 minus of minus 10. 1 by 4 plus 1 by 10. It is nothing but 25% plus 10%. Answer should be closer to 35%. Answer is 1 by 3. Why are you using surds and indices and wasting your pen, wasting your time? Why are you showing your mathematical intelligence on this question which is not required? Absolutely not at all required. It is a common sense question. It is not a difficult question. A student who is not good in formulae can solve faster than you if you are going by the surds method. If you are going by the surds method. I hope it is clear. What I did, sir, isn't it less than 5 seconds approach? 5.55. मेरे को 0.5 मतलब ही नहीं है, sir. Right? That is exactly what I tell to the students when I take classes. Right? 5 power x, please think logically. Use your mind. All these exams are not calculative. Lot of idiotic teachers will create a fear in you and say that this paper is difficult. Paper is not difficult. I am telling it with an experience of 12 plus years and with an success rate of sending Cat 2007, Cat 2008, Cat 2009, Cat 2010. At the age of 22, I taught IIT Delhi students with All India rank 1 sitting in the class. And I wrote 9 mathematical books. You are listening to an author of 9 mathematical books. Now see here, again one more I am telling. This is 5 power x, 0.5 power y. It is 1000 approximately. Yes or no? X is approximately 4. Y is approximately minus 10. 1 by 4 minus of minus 1 by 10. 5 second का माल है sir. Approximately 35%. Answer is closer to 1 by 3. Yes or no? Click on thumbs up if you enjoy this logic. Click on thumbs up. Right? Anil Nair's way of solving. Unique way of solving. And you will possibly not see these kind of approaches in. For every concept. Number system 90 hours. Algebra close to 90 hours. Continuously my old students are listening to the classes 7 to 9 evening and everything, and they are watching it. Almost 180 hours of continuous live classes has happened, and close to 900 plus students have purchased it. If you have not purchased it and there is a special offer, don't miss at the end of the class. Right? Is it clear? Now see here. Now see here. See here, sir. Original cat replica question. Original cat replica question. This question for me is a 2 seconds question. This question is a 2 seconds question. Read the approach. Directly I will tell you Anil Nair's approach. Directly I will tell you Anil Nair's approach. See here. Sujata sold 75%. 75 percentage is 3 by 4. 3 parts at 24 percentage profit, which is nothing but 3.72. Remaining is 1 part at a loss of 40 percentage loss, which is nothing but 0.6. Total it is nothing but 4, 3 plus 4. Total it is nothing but 4.32. It is 0.32, which is 8 percentage gain. Probably this question, if you are taking greater than 10 seconds to solve, it's a shame on you. Absolute sitter. And funny thing is, it's an original CAT replica question and an SSC previous year question. And an SSC previous year question. And an SSC previous year question. Sujata sold 75% of the goods. 75% is 3 by 4. 3 parts he sold at 24% profit. 24% profit is 3 into 1.24. 24% profit is 1.24. 3.72. 40% loss is 1 into 0.6. 3.72 plus 0.6. After this transaction, it is 4.32. Before it is 4. Increase is 0.32, which is 8%. 2 seconds, sir. Does not even deserve using pen. I hope it is clear. Plug-in approach, I wanted to do it little later. Again, a CAT original question. CAT original question. In this class, I wanted to discuss maximum varieties of solving the question. Follow my classes diligently, right? Enrolled student will definitely have an edge over others. F of x plus y equivalent to f of x plus f of y. Find the value of f of 2 by 3. Find the value of f of 2 by 3. Right through smart observation. Through smart observation, I can solve the question in less than 10 seconds. How to solve it? What I did is, this is a CAT original question. What is the value of f of 2 by 3? First option is 2 by 3. F of 2 by 3 equivalent to 2 by 3. If I take f of x equivalent to x. F of y equivalent to y. First option is giving me a hint. F of x plus y equivalent to x plus y. Condition is satisfied. Condition is satisfied. I hope it is clear. If I take f of k equivalent to k, is these equation satisfied? Right? X plus y equivalent x plus y. This is satisfied. This is satisfied. F of 0 will become 0. It is not possible. This is also not possible. Are you all with me? F of k equivalent to k will satisfy the question. F of 2 by 3 will satisfy. F of 1 is 1. First option and third option. Just through smart observation, B and D are out. Then what I will do is, can I also say that f of k equivalent to k has helped me eliminate option B and option D. F of 2 by 3 equivalent to 0, it is not satisfying. F of 0 will become 0. It is not satisfying. B and D is out. Now see here. F of x plus y equivalent to f of x plus f of y. Can I say that this is a linear function? Can I say that this will also satisfy? Yes or no? Linear, right? X is not satisfying. I did 2k. So f of x is nothing but 2x. F of y is nothing but 2y. 2 into x plus y equivalent to 2 into x plus y. This is satisfying. What all we eliminated? This we eliminated. This we eliminated. F of k equivalent to 2k. F of 2 by 3 equivalent to 2 by 3. Not possible. I hope it is clear. F of 2 by 3. Answer is 2 by 3 f of 1. Yes or no? Right? F of 1 equivalent to 2. F of 1 equivalent to 2. Is it clear? F of k equivalent to 2k. Answer is linear. Answer is linear. f of k equivalent to 2k. Just less than 10 seconds it will take. If you understand that x plus y equivalent to x plus y, this is nothing but it will happen for a linear function. It will happen for a linear function. It will happen for a linear function. If the question is like this, f of xy equivalent to f of x plus f of y, if the question is changed, then it happens for a logarithmic function log n equivalent to log m plus log n question. If it is f of xy, if it is f of x plus y equivalent to f of x plus f of y, this is possible for a linear function. Linear function. Again an original question. Now see here, sir. Now see here. Any other easy questions are there? These. Again an original cat replica question. Varieties of question I am solving. Original cat replica question. Those who are following, write the cat questions. Sometimes the original cat questions have become the original CPO or SSC CPO questions. Right? See here. How to solve this question? X be the least number divisible by 16, 24, 30, 36 and 45. X is also a perfect square. Right? I hope it is clear. What is the remainder when x is divided by 123? Right? 1 minute. Right? 1 minute. Vishnu asked a doubt. Let me clarify his doubt. Right? He says he cannot eliminate b and d straight away. It is as f of x equivalent to 0 holds true here. Beta, f of x equivalent to c is a constant function. F of x equivalent to c is a constant function. I said f of x equivalent to x is a linear function. There is a difference between a constant function and a linear function. I hope you understand the difference between a constant function and a linear function. A constant function has got a degree 0. Linear function has got a degree 1. Right? There is a difference of polynomial degree with degree 0. A polynomial with degree 0 and constant 0. I hope you understand the difference. A polynomial with degree 0. A polynomial with degree 0 is a constant value. Constant 0. Right? 1, 2 and 3 are constant. There is a difference between 0, 1, 2, 3. I hope Vishnu, please go through the basics first. Write down next one. X be the least number divisible by 16, 24, 30, 36 and 45. And x is also a perfect square. He said that x is divisible by 16, 24, 30, 36 and 45. 16, 24, 30 and 45. What is the remainder? What is the remainder when x is divided by 123? This is a 5 seconds problem for me. Stupid answer options are given. Answer is B, 33. Why it is B? How I solved this question? Through sheer observation. X is divided by 123. X is divided by any of these number. Can I say that x is divisible by 30 or 36 or 45 or 25 or 16? You take 30 so that when x is divided by 30, dividend is nothing but divisor into quotient. Quotient I don't know. Right? When the number is divided by, remainder is 123. Now see here. I will explain it neatly for you. X is divisible by 45 and x is a perfect square. That means x will be of the form 30 into something. Are you all with me? What is the remainder when x is divided by 123? 30p is, what is the remainder when it is divided by 123? This is quotient and it is remainder. Are you all with me? 30p is nothing but 123q plus r. R is nothing but 30p minus 123q. This is divisible by 3. This is divisible by 3. Remainder should be divisible by 3. Option is 33. Exact questions with exact answer options. Exact questions and exact answer options. 33. X is divisible by. X is divisible by. Right? This is either 30. 30p is dividend equivalent to divisor into quotient plus remainder. 30p is 123 plus q plus r. It is r equivalent to 30p minus 123q. Minus 123q. Sir, you took only 30. Can I take 16, 24, 36 and 123? Oh, why not? Please check with other values. That also will give you the same answer. X is divisible by 16, 24, 30, 36 and 45. X is divisible by 16. So it is 16p. 16p is divided by 123. Quotient is q. Remainder we don't know r. 16p is nothing but 123q plus r. R is nothing but 16p minus 123q. If R is 100, this is divided by 100. This is divided by 100. 123q. Here there is a choice. Q could be divisible by 4. That is the reason I have not taken 16. That is the reason I have not taken 24. 3 into any number. 3 into any number, answer digital sum will be divisible by 3. That is the reason my entire eyes are there on this number. 30, 36, 45. That's exactly the reason why I concentrated on 30, 36 and 45. I hope the idea is clear. If these 100, these are divisible by 4. Q may be giving you divisible by 4. I cannot say that 100 could be the answer. Are you all with me? I hope the logic is clear. Next. See here. Now, another beautiful logic, sir. Another beautiful logic, right? Next one. Sum of all the angles. If the sum of all the angles, if the sum of all the angles except one of a convex polygon is 2570 degrees and remaining angle. Important key points are, it is a convex polygon. It is a convex polygon. Another important key point is, it is a sum of all interior angles. First write down sum of all interior angles. Sum of all interior angles of a convex polygon. It is given by n minus 2 into 180 degrees. Sum of all interior angles of a convex polygon. It is n minus 2 into 180 degrees. First underline this point, sir. It is convex polygon. You need to understand the difference between concave polygon and a convex polygon. Concave polygon and a convex polygon. Every interior angle is less than 180 degrees. Every interior angle is less than 180 degrees. Convex polygon. It is for this one, sir. This is for this one. Convex polygon. Please write down, sir. Once you understand this concept, convex polygon. Convex polygon This is nothing but every interior angle is less than 180 degrees. Concave polygon, at least one interior angle, is greater than 180 degrees. This is the textbook definition. If the diagrams are given, suppose see here, this is a polygon. He is asking whether it is convex or concave. Take any 2 points inside the polygon. Draw a line. If the line lies completely inside, then it is a convex polygon. If there is a figure that is given, take any 2 points inside the line. Draw a line. If there is at least one line which goes outside a polygon, then the polygon is said to be concave polygon. I hope it is clear. Convex polygon is every interior angle is less than 180 degrees. Concave polygon is at least one interior angle is greater than 180 degrees. I hope it is clear. Based on figures also you can tell. that whether it is a convex polygon or a concave polygon. Right? He might give you the diagrams. He might ask you which polygon is convex polygon or a concave polygon. I hope it is clear. Based on figures, it is the first point. Second point, we should know that what is a convex polygon. Second key point, please write down, sir. Sum of all the interior angles. Sum of all interior angles. Sum of all interior angles. It is given by n minus 2 into 180 degrees. Why it is n minus 2? Suppose if I take a four-sided figure, take one point, draw a line joining the non-adjacent sides. This is an adjacent side, this is an adjacent side, this is an adjacent side. A four-sided figure has got two triangles. Suppose if I take a five-sided figure, take any point, join the non-adjacent. 1, 2, 3. Five-sided figure. I got nothing but three triangles. Sum of the triangles is nothing but 180 degrees. Sum of all the triangles is nothing but one side. Right? Now if you see here, a four-sided figure has got two triangles. 2y, these adjacent, not adjacent will be n minus 2. n minus 2 is nothing but the non-adjacent sides. I will get a triangle sum is 180. Sum of all interior angles, it is given by n minus 2 into 180 degrees. n minus 2 into 180 degrees. Listen carefully, sir. Listen carefully to this approach. Then next question you can solve it in seconds. n minus 2 into 180 degrees. Except one angle, minus x equivalent to 2570 degrees. This is a convex polygon. Every angle should lie from 0 to 180. n minus 2 into 180 minus x equivalent to 2570 degrees. Now see here. You don't need to solve n and x. That's an idea. 180 is divisible by 5. Or it is divisible by 10. 2570 degrees. It is divisible by 10. X should be divisible by 10. X should be divisible by 10. 105, it is not possible just by looking at it. 180, digital sum is 9. 2570. 7 plus 2, 9. Digital sum is 5. 9 minus something digital sum is 5. These digital sum should be 4. These digital sum should be 4. Only option which gives you the digital sum 4. It is 130 degrees. 90 out, 120 out, 140 out. Answer is 130. This seems like an algebraic question. These seems like an algebraic question, but it is not an algebraic question. It is a number system question. N minus 2 into 180. Why? Because we just now discussed that sum of all interior angles is N minus 2 into 180 except 1. So it is minus x. Convex polygon is 0 to 180. It is 2570. 180 digital sum is 9. 2570 digital sum is 5. X digital sum should be 4. X digital sum should be 4. Suppose if there is an option. Suppose if there is an option. See here, sir. If there is an option 40 degrees, or if there is an option, right? If there is an option another 220 degrees. I hope it is clear. 40 or 220. Suppose if the options are 40 or 220, how to eliminate it? 180 is divisible by 4. If I take 40, 40 is divisible by 4. 70 is not divisible by 4. 40 is incorrect. 180 is divisible by 4. This is also divisible by 4. 2570, 70 is not divisible by 4. Answer has to be 130. Answer has to be divisible by 10. I hope the logic is clear. Answer has to be divisible by 10. Answer has to have digital sum 4. I hope it is clear. Kindly reply in the live chat. Now I will take up doubts if you have any. Right? Vishnu has said a statement. It is clear that question number it cannot be. Right? Beta Vishnu, you are not listening to my statement. Please go back and watch the video again. I will make the video public for you. Right? Please go back and watch the video again. In hurry, you are writing it. What I said is, first statement before I solved is, this is f of 2 by 3. First option is also 2 by 3. It seems like this and this are same. There I wrote it as f of x equivalent to x. I assumed option A as true. I never derived that f of x is a linear function. Go back to that question and read the first, here the first 5 seconds. Right? I hope it is clear. My idea is to eliminate the incorrect answer options by taking something as right. Then I will tell that something is incorrect. Then I will go back to the statement. My idea is to not to get into a mathematical world and prove that it is right. My idea is to solve it using the common sense approach or taking the answer options into consideration. Taking the answer options into consideration. Right? I hope it is right. However, what you said is also right. There is a constant function possibility if you take option B as right. Your statement is right if option B is taken as the first point of reference, because I have taken option A as the first point of reference. Here again I will come to this point. 220 is also incorrect. As Rahul said, 220 is greater than 180. This condition can also be executed. I hope the idea is right. Right? Now see this question. Now see this question. Now you can solve this question very easily. Sum of all the angles, it is n minus 2 into 180 minus x equivalent to 2190 It is convex. 0 less than x less than 180. Right? Digital sum 9. Digital sum 3. Digital sum is nothing but 6. Digital sum 6. 60, 150, 240, divisible by 10 also. It should be divisible by 10 also. I hope it is clear. 240, it is not possible. 60, it is not possible. 150, it is possible. N minus 2 into 180 minus 150 equivalent to 2190. N minus 2 into 180 equivalent to 2340. 9 2s are 26. N is 15. I hope second original CAT question can be solved very right easily if you know the approach. I hope everybody understood what is the root cause of this problem and the previous problem. It should be divisible by 10. And digital sum logic. Don't look at it as an algebraic question. It should be divisible by 10 and apply digital sum. Idea clear? Next one. Next one. I hope these two are clear. Next one. Interior angle of a polygons are in AP. Again, it is an original IIFT question. It is an original IIFT question. Interior angles of a polygon are in AP. Interior angle plus exterior angle, it is 180. Exterior equivalent to 180 minus interior. Interior smallest is 100. Interior minimum value is 100. Exterior largest value is nothing but 80. The angles are in AP. If the interior is in AP, exterior also it will be in AP. Right? Why? Because 1357 it is in AP. Minus 1, minus 3, minus 5, minus 7. It is also in AP. 180 minus 1, 180 minus 3. 180 minus 5, 180 minus 7. It is also in AP. So if I take I1, I2, I3 are in AP. 180 minus I1, 180 minus I2, 180 minus I3. They are also in AP. So they are nothing but E1, E2, A3. Exterior maximum is 80. Maximum is 80. What is the difference? 4. 80, 76. It should decrease because maximum is 80. 76, 72, 68, 64. Check it out whether the sum is 360. 12, 14, 22, 10, 17, 24, 30, 36. 360 degrees. So exterior 5 angles are there. So that means 5 sides will be there. If 5 exterior angles are there, 5 sides. Non-formula based approach, logical based approach. Only thing you should know that interior plus exterior, it is nothing but 180. If interior plus exterior is 180, exterior is 180 minus interior. Interior minimum angle is 100. Exterior maximum angle is 80. Series common difference is 4. 80, 76, 72, 68, 64. Sum of all exterior angles is 360. 5 exterior angles are there, 5 sides. Beautiful questions, non-formula based. Otherwise, you will use n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. I hope this logic is clear. These also we solved. Next one. See here. This is a 29 goats. 29 goats can feed on a uniformly grown grass in 7 days. This is a question based on a direct relation. Direct relation. What is the difference between direct relation and direct proportion? If x increases by 2 times, y increases by 2 times, that is proportion. Relation, if x increases, y will also increase. May not be in equal times. Proportion means x doubles, y will double. But in relation, x increases, y increases. Uniformly grown grass. Method 1 is write equation method. Try to solve, which is a very time consuming method. Equation method, which is a time consuming method. Time consuming method. What we will do is 29 goats can feed on a grass in 77 days. That means totally in 7 days, totally, right, 203 goat days work is done. 203 goat days work is done. 25 goats can feed on the same field in 9 days, which is nothing but 225 goat days is done. Goat days work is done. That means 2 days extra if it is there. 22 goat days extra work is done. 22 goat days extra work is done. If 1 day extra if I do, I will get 11 goat days work is done. 11 goat days work is done. So 6 days, it is nothing but 66. Right? I hope it is clear, right? So we will do, can feed the graph. So it is nothing but 6 days. It is 66 goat days work is done. So what is the difference? 203 minus 66, which is, I hope it is clear, right? So 1 day it is 11, 1 day, 2 days extra it is 22, 1 day it is 11 goat days extra work is done. So 11 goat days extra work is done. So I think you don't need to do any calculation. Here you can go by the answer options. You can go by the answer options. Now see here. What we will do is, how many goats it will feed in 6 days? 6 days if it is 32 goats. What is 6 days? 6 into 32, which is 192 goat days. 192 goat days. I picked option D. 6 days plus 1 day, 7 days. 192 plus 11 is 203. Are you all with me? Just by looking at the answer option itself, I got the answer. Again, I am saying 29 goats can feed a grass in 7 days. That means after 7 days, 29 into 7 is 203 goat days work is done. 25 goats can feed the same field in 9 days. In 9 days total, 225 goat days work is done. 7 days became 9 days. That means if there is 2 days, 22 goat days extra work is done. In 1 day, extra work is done is 7 goat days. 11 goat days. If 6 days, anyway 36 is incorrect. 6 days, 6 into 36 is 216. 7 days itself is 203. These first 3 are eliminated because it is exceeding the 7 days work done. 6 into 32 is 192 goat days. Extra day is 11. 192 plus 11. It is nothing but 203. 203. I hope it is clear. I hope it is clear. This is a direct related question, sir. This is a direct relation question. Direct relation question. Suppose there are number of people are there. Number of people are there. And there is a bus cost is there. And there is a picnic cost is there. Bus cost is there. He said bus cost is fixed. It is fixed, right? This is a variable cost. Am I right? Suppose somebody said that it does not matter how many people. Why bus cost? Let us take a theater. Suppose in a theater 100 seats are there. 100 seats are there. Suppose there is a morning show. Morning show, he has to switch on the AC. That example which will be much more clear. Suppose there is a theater. There is a morning show running. There is a number of seats. Seat cost into number of people plus AC cost. It is nothing but the cost of running the morning show. AC cannot be switched on only one person. If 1 is sitting, 10 is sitting, 100 is sitting, AC cost should be fixed. This is a fixed cost. This is a number of people is the variable cost. This is nothing but seat cost is constant. So total cost is nothing but fixed cost plus K into variable cost. If you solve this equation, you will get this answer. But that variable method, I don't want to use it. I hope it is clear. You can, if you solve it, right? If you solve it, total cost equivalent to fixed cost plus K into variable cost. If I use this concept, total cost is nothing but fixed cost plus K into variable cost. Total cost minus fixed cost by variable cost, it is nothing but K. Some people will use this method, that is also a convenient method, but directly relation can be solved by using these concept also. I hope it is clear. Next one. Any other questions are there? Now we will see. Here, question contains variables. Answer also contains variables. If the question contains variables, answer contains variables, what you can do? Substitution method you can use. Put n equivalent to 2. Question should be matching with the answer option. Put n equivalent to 2 or n equivalent to 1. Question and the answer option. I hope it is clear. Write n equivalent to 2. If n equivalent to 1 is matching, that will be the answer. Next one. I hope this is also clear. Right. So, A and B together can complete. This is an original CAT replica question. The same kind of question also came in SSC question. The worst thing with respect to question C is answer options. There is no smartness in the answer option. Answer options, if you use smart approach, this question can be solved in. It's an exact question, sir. It is an exact question in an SSC question. A smart approach, this question can be solved in 2 seconds. A and B can complete 5/6 of the work. That means he will take 6/5. Right? This is nothing but 5/6 of the work. 5/6 of the work he will take 6/5 of the number of days. Number of days should be a multiple of 5. Number of days should be a multiple of 5. Write stupid answer options. 12, 8 and 9 are out. Answer is nothing but 10. You don't need to do anything. 5/6 of the work means days will become 6/5. I hope it is clear. Right? I hope it is clear. Efficiency and the number of days are inversely proportional to each other. 5/6 will become 6/5. 6/5 of the number of days. So, number of days should be a multiple of 5. Only one option is multiple of 5. I hope all these approaches are clear to you. Again, I will tell you.